Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I have a new recipe to show you guys that these recipes are very popular in my village. So if you guys want to know how many ingredients of it and also the way of cooking this food, so please watch my video until the end. And if you guys think that my channel are necessary to you, so please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube, and all of these ingredients I'm going to tell you step by step when I start to cook. So now start to cook with me. This corn, first we do like this on corn, we cut it step by step like this. This garlic, so we do like this on garlic. Then this our beet, we cut our beet like this. First we add oil. Then garlic, this garlic, sugar, SMG, fish sauce, add our corn. Mia, we also add chili sauce to be more delicious. So now we start to add our beet because our corn is nearly to be cooked. So we add our beet. Add our mushroom. Then we mix it. Our noodle. Wow, it looks like so yummy, even though it's not yet already cooked. Wow, I'm really hungry. So now our food is already cooked, so we can eat. Let me eat and show you guys about its taste. Wow. Wow, it's so yummy. This is our beach. It's our corn. It's so good, this.